China has introduced its first 100-tonne class all-electric autonomous mining truck into commercial operation, marking a new step in the country's development of intelligent and low-emission mining technology. The AT150 has entered service in Holingol city in Inner Mongolia and is designed for transporting coal and rock in open pit mines. The vehicle combines electric propulsion, autonomous driving and bi-directional operation with a rated load capacity of 136 tons. Officials say the truck can operate in temperatures ranging from -30 to 50 degrees Celsius. It also uses a rapid battery swapping systems, which is expected to reduce energy costs by around 65% compared with conventional diesel-powered mining trucks.